What's good, y'all? This is Will Jr., man. I trust all is well. It's hot, bro. It's hot, man. But look, I'm about to roll up the Harley, man, see if they'll change my oil. Because, bro, I like to be like 3 steps ahead, especially when planning these big trips that we have coming up, etc. Only thing is, bro, I'm not about to roll the Harley with this on, man. So, you know, wifey's in the kitchen. So I'm just going to have to take this off and be quiet about it and zip out of here, so. All right, guys, you guys know we've been doing a lot of tour pack talk on my channel, right, for the last couple of videos. Let me show you my guy Eric bike, bro. This dude now went and got a custom Razor tour pack for his CVO. Man, this thing look good. Oh my gosh, look at that, man. Now, please be honest in the comments, guys. Should he paint that white? Because I know you guys was telling me to paint my tour pack white, you know what I'm saying? So put in the comments, guys, should he customize it or, you know, for us to paint? Now, me personally, that is beautiful. I wouldn't do anything to it. Just, like I said, simply because of the center black or whatever. Man, this thing looks so good. Gosh. Okay. Guys, I simply came here just to say hi. No. Bro, look. Come here to say hi. Yeah. Amber is so awesome, guys. I was actually talking to another Harley dude, and he was like, yeah, man, I got my wifey like some passenger Willie G pegs. I was like, there's passenger Willie G pegs? I didn't know this. Well, the large one. So, yeah, guys. So I'm going to get these here. And then I need a tool set, so when I hit Sturgis, just in case, you know, the uncertain happens, I got this little guy. I didn't even know Harley sold this. Look at this, bro. And this is like for... Oh, I got my little bag. Look at that. And this is like every piece that's on that bike. This here will pretty much take care of it for the most part. Yeah, guys, I'm getting it. Let's do it.
my hype, what I think the hype is with the road glides. People that ride road glides want everybody to have a road glide.
Okay.
I've been told that they don't have the buffeting when you're riding behind an 18-wheeler. I don't ride behind an 18-wheeler. I pass 18-wheelers.
Exactly.
Okay? They say when you pass that 18-wheeler and you hit that wall, you don't get to shake. I don't get that shake. I get the same shake on a road glide that I do on my street glide. So
Street glide CVO.
CVO. So I think more than anything, it's just that aesthetic look. That's what they like, and they want everybody to have it. Kind of like when a couple has a baby, they want everybody around them to have babies.
What's the aesthetic look? I mean, the shark nose fairing, or
well, that's aesthetically that's pleasing to them. You know, the shark nose, the two headlights. They don't like the fairing to move. I think that the handlebars going through, the fork going through, makes it a little bit lighter in steering, but then the fairing attached to the fork makes it lighter also, because now I have weight driving my turns. The only time you're going to feel that though is slow riding.
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah.
Your headlight, they're like, well, the headlight doesn't move with the turn. And I'm like, it doesn't move with the turn in my car.
Yeah.
And the only time the headlight moves in turns is when you're slow driving.
Yeah.
And you're not going to notice it. And you shouldn't be looking here anyways. You should be looking out there.
Exactly.
So more than anything, I think it's birds of a feather flock together.
Yeah.
So road guide people, they want their friends to have road glides, and bat wing guys want their friends to have bat wings. Me personally, I just want you to have a bike.
Well, me too. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just, I've noticed, like, even just being here for like, what, the past 20, 30 minutes, literally 98% of the bikes are road glides out there. And I'm like, what is the hype?
So the old ones before 20, I think 19 still had this, and it would block it.
Oh, now that's cool, man.
So you can get this for pre-19. You can get this insert here. It's like $100, I think, and you can get it on 20 and 21s.
Bro, that is nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, cool. Well, why the Road Glide doesn't have that?
Because the Road Glide doesn't have that fairing. So, but the Road Glide does have it.
Does it?
All this one does is closes that vent up in there. Okay. They used to have two slots to close off in here, but the amount of water that comes through there is relatively negligible.
Really? Also, the ones prior to the 2021s would have that slot.
I think 17 or 18. I'd have to look.
Okay.
But you think about it though. You're riding in rain. What are you wearing?
Clothes? No.
Normally you're wearing a helmet.
Yeah, I do.
Helmet, a visor. You're dressed up. So
you guys can still see me. Yeah.
The amount of rain, I don't know. For me, that wouldn't be a detractor if I was looking at street glide or road glide. For me, it's all looks. You ever watch Futurama, the cartoon Futurama?
Oh yeah.
You remember Bender the robot?
Yeah. Bender.
This is what I see when I see road glides.
Oh, why would you instill that in my brain?
You see Bender?
I do. And then, you guys see Bender coming down.
And then we got those angry eyes that they put on some of them, and then he's angry Bender. Now, put this on an all gauntlet gray bike, 100% Bender.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Hey, boys and girls.
Yeah.
But you don't see that with the street glide. What do you see with the street glide? We got to be fair to that.
There is no fear, because with a street glide, to me, a street glide is, oh, here we go, Mike Wazowski.
Mike, what?
Mazda Inc.
Oh, well, there you go.
Go Mike Wazowski.
There you go.
But, so, you got your shark fin, your bat fairing. This to me is a locomotive. It reminds me of the old Western locomotives, that single light sticking out there on the front, you know?
Yeah.
I won't even put the auxiliary lights on my street glide because because I like that look. That's why I went with the white LEDs.
Yes. I don't want those there on that, man. No. Look at this, like, look at this, guys.
Look good, but that's not my look.
No, that that is definitely not my look.
That's Blinky, the three-eyed fish from The Simpsons.
so I'm here at Walmart, man, and I'm here with my guy Charlie. Man, this dude, every time I come in here, he literally helps me out every time. So I was explaining to Charlie that I'm looking for a kit for my motorcycle, guys. You know, I'm hitting Sturgis, me and wifey. So I want to get a kit that's going to really help out with my tire if I ever get a flat, which I hope not. So what I need, Charlie, talk to me, brother.
Well, you got, like I said, this is in a little box, so it's great for your bike.
Okay.
It's got the glue, it's got the plug, and then, but you also could patch it from the inside, but that means you got to bust the tire down.
Now, what that mean, bust the tire down?
Take it off the rim.
Oh, man.
So, you're most likely going to want to use this. This will get you back on the road quickest and fastest. And there's several different ones you can choose from here at Walmart. So, but I would suggest, with the hard case being on a bike, I don't know if you got room for it. But,
I should, yeah.
But then you know everything's in. If you get a flat tire, everything's there. You just pull out the green box and fix your tire.
Okay, and then just plug it and good to go.
Yep.
So another thing is, man, look at this, guys. $7.97. Wow. Charlie, thank you for marking that down. No, Charlie did not mark that down. But now, what about air, Charlie? So, like, let's say I plug it and I need to get air, and I'm not at a gas station. I'm on the side of the road. You got anything like for my bike, like a little kit for that, like a little mini kit that pumps air?
Right.
But I just want to be prepared for almost anything.
Pumps. They're all 12 volt. I don't know if you.
Well, it have to be plugged into the lighters. That's a 12 volt. So
yeah. Cigarette lighters, the way they work.
Yeah. So what's your thoughts on which one you think I should go with?
Well, being on a bike,
yeah,
I would say smaller the better.
Mm-hmm.
So they all work. They just take more time to do it.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. As long as it'll pump it, yeah.
So there's plenty of different choices. They range from 16, looks like $16. This whole guy?
Yeah. No.
All the way to $50.
And this will air an adult tire.
Yep, it'll do all of that.
What?
And it takes roughly 8 minutes to fill a car tire. So it'll take less time for a bike tire, less volume.
Well, yeah. Huh.
And that's 1608.
Look at this, guys. Look, check this out, bro. Man, look, I'm just trying to be 3 steps ahead, guys. I love to be 3 steps ahead. All right, so I'll be rocking the standard tie inflator and the tire tackle. Okay. Anything else I need for my long trip, Charlie?
Nope. There's lots of things, but
all right.
If you're preparing for a flat tire,
that's it.
You can do the slime or the instant flat, but that also.
See, I heard that slime doesn't work as good. I mean, I heard pros and cons about that.
I've never used it.
I don't know about the slime.
I don't like to use any of that because it fills the inside of your tire with junk. And
exactly.
So.
All right, anything you want to say to the people real quick, Charlie?
No. Yo, have a good one.
All right, brother.
Take it easy.
Shouts out to the guy that I was talking to at Harley. I think he said his name was Williams. Y'all know I'm real bad with names. But he's the one who told me about the passenger Willie G pegs, man. Oh, I was just like, what?